everybody, this is Teacher Ryan, and today I'm answering a request from one of my subscribers for more videos about modals. Now, imagine that you're a busy teacher and you're eating your lunch. One of your students comes into your classroom and they put down their paper and they say, "Teacher, I don't understand. Explain this, please." And you're eating your lunch. You don't want to be working. You want to be eating. Because sometimes students think that the word please has this magic superpower. That please will make everything sound nice. But that's not true in English. Especially when we need or want something from a person eating their lunch. Okay, so can you imagine this? It's happened to me before. But some students think they just say please and it's fine. Okay, but it's not fine. So, what grammar structure will make Teacher Ryan want to help you while she's eating her lunch? A question with a modal. Okay, so let's look at a few examples. Here are 4 ways you could ask me for help during my lunch break. Okay, you know I want to eat my lunch. I don't want to teach. I need a break. But you're asking very politely. Okay, remember, please, not enough. So here we go. We have, can you explain this? Will you teach this again in class? Could you tell me why I got this question wrong? Would you go over this again? So let's look at the pronunciation. Now, American pronunciation is going to take these first 2 words and we are going to push them together. Why? Because these are very, very common grammar patterns. Very common. And when something in English is grammatically very common, the pronunciation goes together. Okay? So we have can ya, or if you watch my other video, I'll put the tag right there. Can ya, will ya? Okay, this turns into ya, this turns into ya, this turns into can. Will ya? Could ya? You hear that? Could ya? Ja. Like a J, letter J. Could ya? And would ya? Okay, so I have videos about this. I'm going to put the tag right here for you. You can click on this and then watch that next. I'll give you a better explanation about why that happens. So, can ya, will ya, could ya, would ya? Say it with me. Can ya, will ya, could ya, would ya? Would ya? Okay, so you're going to go to Teacher Ryan during her lunch break. You're going to ask for help. You need to use a question. And you need to use a question with a modal of request. This is what the grammar books call these, modal of request. Now let's look at the grammar. We have our modal, right? And a modal is a verb. Like, imagine that the verb is the umbrella and one kind of verb is a modal, okay? So we have verb, subject, verb, again, verb, subject, verb, verb, subject, verb, verb, subject, verb, okay? And the second verb is our main verb. It's the verb with the action, with the information. So this second verb will not change because I have a modal, okay? This verb will never, ever, never change, okay? If I want to change the tense, present, past, future, I'm going to change the modal. Okay, so can you explain this? Let's look. This is present. This is right now. Will you teach this again in class? This one is actually future. I'm asking about a future event, right? Could you tell me why? Could is talking about possibility. And possibility is kind of present, kind of future. It's not super clear, it's just possible, okay? And would you, right, is talking about permission. Would you go over this again? Okay, so we have, can you explain this? Okay, and I have my paper, I'm pointing to it. Can you teach this again in class? Could you tell me why? Tell me why. Okay, now why here is actually a conjunction. And then, oh guys, this is a little advanced. Then we go to subject, verb. Aye! Okay, but it's a question, but it has two parts. The first part is in the question grammar, and the second part is in the sentence grammar structure. Okay? Would you go over this again? What is go over? Go over is a phrasal verb, right? And it just means the same thing as review, to review something. Next time you have a question that you need to ask from somebody and you know they don't really want to do it, and you're asking, are you a good person? Please, can you help me? I need your help. You can use the word please, but it's better if you use a question with one of these modals. Okay, everybody, type any questions you have below and let me know how I can help you. Like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.